Hello everyone, it's time to review the answer to our metabolic health hacks quiz question we posted last week. How many hours of sleep should the average adult aim for each night to support optimal health? And the answer choices given are A 4 to 5 hours, B 6 to 7 hours, C 7 to 9 hours, D 10 to 12 hours. And the correct answer is C, 7 to 9 hours. C, adults generally need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support brain function, mood, and metabolic health. Sleep is essential for recovery and hormone regulation, which can affect your energy level and weight. Stay tuned for more health tips. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.